Want to fix the voice message problem on WhatsApp? Here's how you can do it. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. If your voice messages aren't playing or recording properly, start by checking your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network. Next, open your phone's settings. Then tap Apps or App Management. Find WhatsApp from the list and tap on it. Now, check if the microphone permission is turned on. If it's off, turn it on, and then try sending a voice message again. If the issue still continues, go back and update the app from the Play Store or App Store. Sometimes bugs are fixed in the latest version. And finally, if nothing works, try restarting your phone. It often refreshes the system and fixes small glitches. That's it! Your WhatsApp voice messages should now be working perfectly again. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.